on the remains of Ezin Nemesi Ekwelumiefe Isiadinso, also known as Mama Eleti Mamocha, and Onne Diuchu, have been laid to rest at her husband's compound at Obago Sili Village, Enugwu-Ukwu, in Njikoka local government area of Anambra State. Our ABS correspondent, Joseph Ebocha, was there and now reports.
Aged 97, the deceased was born to the family of Ibokwe of Irendiagu village, Ogidi, where she grew up and later spent much of her adult life in northern Nigeria, where she met and married her husband, late Nzechukwu Isiadinso. During funeral service in her honor at Emmanuel Anglican Church, Enugwu-Ukwu, the officiating priest and bishop of the Anglican Diocese of Nike, Enugu State, Right Reverend Dr. Christian Onya, described the deceased as a faithful follower of Jesus Christ unto death and charged the bereaved to emulate her without distractions.
It takes an intentional man or woman to fight that good fight of faith for long and be sustained in it and finish strong. It is not a common thing.
Speaking after interment, son of the deceased, Ifeanyi Chukwu Isiadinso, daughter Chief Mrs. Uchenna Umeje, Ni Isiadinso, and son-in-law Chief Dr. Chuks Umeje, said the late Mrs. Isiadinso lived fruitful and impactful life and promised to continue living out her legacies of compassion, peace, and giving to the needy.
May God bless every one of them. And my prayer is that all of them, as they come, must go back safely by the grace of God. God will lead everybody back to their various places.
I live here today, if I have to start talking. My mom is a very peaceful person, very compassionate, very generous. My mom will always tell you, God says, vengeance is mine and not yours. Even when we say, look at what these people do, we are going there to, she will tell you, don't worry about it.